Hello students, welcome to my channel Maths by Poonam Shukla. In my last video, I taught you about number systems. In number system, I taught you rational numbers. I explained you integers and rational numbers. So here in this video, I'll teach you how to represent those rational numbers on number line and how to find rational numbers between two rational numbers. So here we go. I'm going to share my screen once again to teach you. Yeah. So in this, I have taken some numbers, some rational numbers, which I will tell you how to represent in this number line, which I already made here. So 5 by 4. First number is 5 by 4. So 5 by 4, you can write this 5 by 4 in mixed fraction. So 4 ones are 4 and remainder is 1 and then 4. So this is for 5 by 4, you can write 1 whole 1 by 4. I'm changing here ink, so it's in some brighter color, so it will be easy to understand. So you can write it 1 plus 1 by 4 means one whole number, means one whole number you are getting here, and 1 plus 4. It will be very easy. So, and 1 by 4 means out of 4 parts, you have to take out 1 part. So this will come till here to here, and then between this 1 and 2 you have to divide this in 4 equal parts, because now it in fraction. This whole is divided into 4 parts, and from that 4 parts you have to take 1 part. So 1 plus 1 by 4 will lie here. So you can represent that number here, 5 by 4. Is it simple? Yes, it is, I think. Now again, in next example, we are going to take 9 by 4. So again, you have to make it in mixed fraction. So 4 2s are 8 plus 1 upon 4. You can write it in that way. So here 1 and 2 till here it will go, and then this you have to divide in 4 equal parts again, because here this is 4, so you have to divide in 4 equal parts, and you are taking 1 part out of 4, so it will lie here on this point of number line. So you can say that 9 by 4 will lie here. 12 upon 5, so this you can write 2 whole 2 upon 5, isn't it? Yes, it is. If you can divide it, when you will divide it, I'm telling you here 5, 12, 5 2s are 12, 5 2s are 10, sorry, and then 2. So 2 whole, this is whole number, which is this one, and 2 upon 5. We have written this. So 2 whole means 1 and 2. Now here you have to check. Here it was 1 upon 4, means next section we divided into 4 parts. Now you have to divide here 5 equal parts. So next section means after 2 whole numbers, we will divide it into 5 equal parts. 1, 2, 3 and 4, though it is not equal, but you can make it with by using scale. So it will be divided into 4 equal parts, and out of 5 equal parts, and out of 5, 1 2 3 4 5, these are the 5 parts. Out of 5 equal parts you have to take 2 equal parts, so it will go till here, means this number will lie here on number line. Go for some more example with negative sign. So this, if you are writing minus, you can write in that way, and 3 2s are 6 plus 1 upon 3. For more clarification, I am multiplying this minus sign into this bracket, so you can write minus 2 minus 1 by 3. So now these both numbers are in with minus sign, so these numbers will go, number will lie towards left to the 0. So minus 2 means this and this, till here you will go. Now minus 1 by 3, so this part will be divided into 3 equal parts. That's it. 1, 2, and 3. So out of 3, how many parts we have to take? 1 part. So it will go till here. So that number will lie here, minus 7 upon 3. Minus 3 by 4. In minus 3 by 4, this is lesser number, denominator is greater. So no whole number will be there. So that means minus 3 by 4 you can write in same way. Minus 3 by 4 means you have to divide this between 0 to 1 into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4. This part you have to divide into 4 equal parts, and out of 4, how many parts you have to take it out? How many parts are there? 3 minus 3. So that means this will lie till here. This will come till here, and this number will lie here. Minus 3 upon 4. Okay. And this is 14 upon 6. So 6 2s are 12 plus 2 upon 6, or you can write 2 plus 1 upon 3, this number, right? 1 upon 3. So this number will come 2 plus 1 upon 3. So 1 and 2, you are going till here, and 1 upon 3. So you have to divide this into 3 equal parts, and you have to take out 1 parts out of 3. So this, you can represent this number here, 14 upon 6. So in this video, I will, this is completed representation of rational numbers on number line. Now I will go to tell you how to find out rational number between two rational numbers. Okay, so there are two methods. First, I will teach methods in this video. Then in another video, you will see the exercise 1.1 related to this kind of problems. Okay, so here we are going to learn by using method 1, find any two rational number between 1 and 2. And first method is we have to find mid value of two numbers. So this is the method 1, how we can find the rational numbers between two rational numbers. So if we write here 1 and 2, you have to find out two rational numbers between these two. So mid value, how will we find mid value? For mid value, 1 plus 2 upon 2. So 3 upon 2. So first number you will get, that will be 3 upon 2. Now another number you have to find out. So for another number, either you can take mid value between these two numbers or mid value between these two numbers. What you can take, you can. It's your choice. So I am going for this number. So here, if you are adding these two and upon 2, right? So first you will add these two numbers. So what will come here? 2 plus 3 by 2 means 5 by 2 upon 2. Okay, so you will get 5 by 4. So here it will come 5 by 4. So now you have find out these two numbers between 2. If you have find more numbers, you can add these two, you can add these two to find out here, you can add these two to find out number here, you can, so it could go till infinite. So you can find infinite value, infinite numbers. So here you can see between any two real number, there are infinite real numbers. You can go ahead and so on till infinity. So this is, I will stop this video here. I'm going to close it. If you like it, if you understand this, so you can subscribe and you can press bell icon too to get notifications for new uploads. And in my next video, I'll teach you another part of number system of class 9. So thank you. Bye-bye.